Changing your profile picture on Pandora is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open the Pandora app. Launch the Pandora app on your mobile device or go to the Pandora website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app or in the top menu on the website. Step 3. Edit profile. Once in your profile, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Edit Account. Click on this option to proceed to the Profile Editing section. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the Profile Editing section, find the option to change your profile picture. This may involve clicking on your current profile picture or a designated Change Picture button. Step 5. Upload new image. Select the new image you want to use from your device's gallery of files. Adjust the image if necessary, then confirm the change to update your profile picture. Now your profile picture on Pandora is updated. Enjoy your personalized listening experience.